that's on the beach.
Where did you pick all this out from?
Oh, from YouTube.
I told you. I want you.
I'm in love.
She has already
it.
said
That's
that
why
she
I'm
is
doing
interested
it.
in doing her CSS. Means next time when you are here in Pakistan, you can meet her in her capacity as the Commissioner of Karachi.
Oh, right. Is that why?
Not really next time. I'm planning to do it and delay it for a little
I
while.
can't believe this is my walk the talk. I must talk about this. I do this on the beach.
What is it?
It's an event.
Oh,
I run on walking and running and yoga every Sunday, 8 to 10 on the beach.
okay, this Karachi beach?
Yes, it's in Seaview. But we walk over to the wall to watch the waves, and we had Christmas breakfast at the beach last week. I invited you guys to come, but the guy said he's too lazy to come early in the morning. Whoever, Rahib or Rahim or Rahim.
Who's that?
He's a cameraman for you guys.
Really?
He set me up with
I never
Abid.
heard that name before.
Rahib.
Rahim.
राहिब कौन है राहिब कौन है ये जिसने मना किया था पूछना पड़ेगा तो wait trust me they're even lazier than me I am lazy but I do my work because when I have to do it but they're like I have to literally if I still have
You know, they have food at home, so work is just...
no
If you had to work, that would be a different...
no but the thing is I love doing this work I love the media thing as I said so I love doing it I enjoy going out on red carpets I like focusing on the events there's fashion shows and different things I love doing it since like as I came on the sorry
Explain to me why you need an MBA. Why do you need an MBA to do what you love doing?
I love that. You got all my YouTube stuff which I'm teaching.
Crazy, man.
Because I'm teaching which banana is better.
which is
For
better
what?
the green one
The green one is blood sugar regulating, the brown one is anti-cancer.
both of them are nice
But you eat it after, I mean, if you exercise, the brown banana is better to eat because of the sugar content, the high glycemic
and the green
index.
one
It's before, for breakfast or regular foods, yes, or before exercise.
You did say health and nutrition. This is the girl. I can't understand. You have to talk. You can't do an MBA for the sake of it. When you were so passionate about this.
we'll talk about this after the show
Now I'm going to ring your mother up and talk to your mother.
no, that's not a problem she does not
She's
force
so
me anymore
smart.
Oh, that's
she
good.
did it once and then I'm here
You should be proud of what you've achieved. Sat here doing the thing, walking the red carpet, the fashion, all of that.
जी viewers welcome back असां ॾिठो हाणे हिकिड़ी क्लिप जंहिंमें असां डॉक्टर सज़ैना खे ॾिठो सी व्यू ते स्पेशली कराची जो जेको कराची बीच जेको आहे सी व्यू जेके चयो वेंदो आहे हुते उनजे हथ में हिकिड़ी फ्रूट जी कंप्लीटली प्लेट हुई छा पई हू चयो असांखे अचो थोरो पुछूं था सज़ैना से डॉक्टर सज़ैना could you please elaborate what exactly were you doing there with the fruits in your hands 2 bananas different kind what was that
Okay, so first of all, that's a physical activity promotional event which I do on Seaview every Sunday 8 to 10. Everyone can come, it's free. And we would like to have a physical activity as culture set in so people get used to seeing other people running and exercising on the beach. So this is a group. And secondly, we're promoting eating healthier. So instead of bringing all that oily and other sugary drinks to the beach to eat, we bring fruit and we eat fruit. We have the fruit guys actually come and sell us the fruit right there. But this was actually what you saw. That was Christmas breakfast, which we took. I got that actually from the group as a Christmas present, and we opened it up and we ate it by watching the waves and meditating and breathing. So we had the Christmas breakfast over there. About the banana, it's much better to eat a little bit of a yellow striped banana instead of in terms of your blood sugar regulation. But the brown banana with the brown spots on it has more anti-cancer agents in there. So, but those are very high in the blood sugar, so therefore your blood sugar level will spike up if you are eating too many of those brown bananas. But if you exercise and eating those bananas after exercise, that's a good recovery way of doing that.
मसूद साहब तव्हां सां गॾु ज़रूरु ॻाल्हाईंदसि मूंखे थोरो ॿुधाइजो एतिरे सिका तव्हां गॾु कमु कयो पिया कुझु डिफरेंसेस तव्हांजी लाइफ में बि आहिनि डॉक्टर सज़ैना सां मतिलबु जेका डाइट शयूं आहिनि जेके न्यूट्रिशन हेल्दी शयूं
बिल्कुलु जंहिं वक़्त खां सुज़ैना पाकिस्तान आई आहे
हा।
असांजे ऑफिस में असां सां गॾु कमु थी करे असांजी डाइट वग़ैरह में घणो डिफरेंस अची वियो आहे हाणे असां सुठी डाइट इस्तेमालु था कयूं सुठो खाधो इस्तेमालु था कयूं ऐं उहे शयूं जेके असां खाईंदा हुआसीं पर हाणे असां
अवॉइड कयूं था
अवॉइड था करियूं नथा खायूं
बिल्कुल ही शयूं बिल्कुल ऐसे ही ॿुधाइनि पियो डेफिनेटली ही सभु शयूं असां कयूं थियूं जेका डेली लाइफ रूटीन ते असां हेतिरी सारी अनहेल्दी शयूं खायूं था तव्हां थोरो ॿुधाइजो मूंखे जेका तव्हांजो हिकिड़ी ऑर्गेनाइज़ेशन आहे बेसिकली तव्हां कंहिंजे लाइ छा कमु कयो पिया हुनजे बारे में एक्सप्लेन कजो
असांजी जेका ओरिजिनल ऑर्गेनाइज़ेशन आहे उनजो नालो आहे सुपर टेक्नोलॉजीज़ इनकॉर्पोरेटेड ही कंपनी जेका आहे सा फ्लोरिडा अमेरिका में रजिस्टर्ड आहे ऐं हुनजो ऑपरेशन सेंटर पाकिस्तान में कमु थो करे सभु कुझु असां पाकिस्तान खां हलाईंदा रहिया आहियूं असांजो मार्केटिंग हिते पाकिस्तान खां ईंदी आहे सेल्स हितां खां था कयूं मैनेजमेंट सॼी हिते आहे पाकिस्तान में कराची में मुंहिंजी स्पेशलिटी मैनेजमेंट आहे जीअं तव्हां ॿुधायो था टोनी हिकिड़ो फुटबॉल जो कोच आहे हिन जा फुटबॉल सां गॾोगॾु ही मैनेजमेंट कोच बि आहे ऐं मैनेजमेंट जे लाइ कॉर्पोरेट जे लाइ सेल्स ट्रेनिंग्स वग़ैरह कराईंदो रहियो आहे पाण तव्हांखे ॿुधाईंदो त कहिड़ी कहिड़ी सब्जेक्ट्स में कहिड़े कहिड़े मुल्कनि में हीअं इहे प्रोग्राम्स ऐं कोर्सेस कराया आहिनि
Bilkul. Once again, Tony, I would continue with you because I interrupted you before the break. Okay. So you go in the universities, you counsel the youths over there, you tell them what to choose, or how do you do with that?
Just questions really, trying to unlock. Susanna works on unlocking potential, and my role is pretty much the same, getting them to look at themselves in a different way. I think that the youth of this country is the future of this country. If this country is going to grow, then it's going to grow through its youth. And therefore she needs to have the courage to step out and take control of themselves.
What differences do you see in the children over there, the youngsters, the youths in the universities? Are they willing to do what they wanted to do, and how does it work? I mean, when you counsel them, when you talk to them, what the result do you basically get?
I think you're never going to get 100% results, but if you can speak to 100 people and change the minds of 3 or 4, then 3 or 4 people are going to go on to something better. And at the end of the day, it's a numbers game. Dealing with the youth is the future, and I think to a certain extent, if I could put effort into the future and into the youth in the future, then realistically, the country, the nation, the economy will always benefit, and that's what happens in the Western world. You just don't see it as much.
Exactly. I'll continue with you. You want to say something about that, what Tony said? How about the young thing?
Yes, basically, because that is the future, and. I see here in Pakistan, and please don't get me wrong, that a lot of parents actually force their kids to go into professions, marriages that they don't want to. And I know you guys have certain cultures and doing things. However, I believe that allowing your child to have a choice and discussing that choice with your child, then you can come to a common terms and you can have a happy child who doesn't need food to
eat all the time. Exactly.
Yeah. So basically, every child has an inborn talent in there why they are here and what they like to do. Parents are here to nourish those children, assist them and guide them basically to get the best out of the child. If they don't want to go to university, why force them? They will just get sick and get bad grades, and they will just be anxious and get addicted, because this is where it comes next. And addiction is very high rate here, and food is also an addiction. All the smoking and all the other things are also addiction. So it doesn't matter the subject of the addiction, it is an addiction and it can be avoided. And then again, it's parenting. Allow your child early enough to make decisions and choices, and guide them. Let them make mistakes. It's good for them. The worst thing what you can do is protect your children from not getting hurt, because they need to fall, and you have to watch and encourage them to get up themselves. Because I believe if a child is always picked up from the floor and he never learns to get up, he will always sit there on the floor depressed and wait for someone to come and help. This is what most of the people are waiting in Pakistan, the government, to change. I don't think that's the case, because now with Supertech Foundation we are on to establish 1 million businesses in the next 3 years, and with Rehan Alawala's vision to teach people entrepreneurship on video forms like nobody ever thought of, how to use telephone as an educating agent, and you can learn how to do a bunker bob shop, or how to make soaps or jam at home, or how to be a plumber from telephone now.
Exactly.
So if you go on our website supertech.org, is almost 40 of these small businesses are ready to be downloaded in video forms, and we are aiming up to developing 100 of these. So we welcome everyone to come and meet us every Wednesday 6 to 8 in our office, in Supertech office. We meet up, and you can come and join. If you want to start a business, come, you can start a business. If you want to invest and have a franchise of these, you can come and do that. our job is and our vision is to promote these businesses to get started so the economy will grow. Therefore, depression will lift up, people will feel better, so they don't have to eat bad food, so they will be able to choose better. So I believe health is wealth, and it becomes in, it's a multi-angled game. So the more we teach, and the viral multiplication of this knowledge is basically on mobile education. With Dow Medical University, we are developing for Pakistan the biggest video library for public health. So these can be downloaded by physicians. So imagine when you go to the doctor, you get videos on your phone. The cheapest Chinese phone can play videos now. So you can have your nutritional advice, your lifestyle advice, or whatever advice is basically on a phone. So no more paper needed.
Exactly.
So some of the efforts I'm making it with laboratories. So I'm hoping some of the laboratories here are also joining into this effort, because they are the one who's seeing also patients on a very large scale, and sometimes they see patients more than a doctor because they go, take the bloods and any other things. And so we must do it as many places as possible.
And how long has it been you've been doing this work?
It's been a year, and we've been pretty much progressing on this. And one of the new things which I may say that at Dow Medical University, we started a program called DIL, which is Dow Initiative for Lifestyle and Health. DIL means in Urdu heart, so in heart and health. Basically, we make a program for faculty to have a healthy lifestyle, so they exercise, they learn about eating better, and they practicing all that. So they become master trainers. So we are going to have these lifestyle programs for faculty run on the campuses. Then once this is done, they become trainers for the students. So we have students, a program for the students, then it will become elective courses, inshallah. So that means that, students will have to have a physical activity course chosen within their curriculum of 4 or 5 years of studying. And it's very important how the future doctor will be trained. If they don't learn how to use lifestyle as treatment, then where are we going? So people and doctors are dropping dead on campus and while treating other people due to their bad lifestyle. So we must look into that very closely.
Exactly. And in Sagar, एक नन्ही break पे अच्छी लगी. या break पे टूटा वापस टूटा नन्ही break. So keep watching. Salam sir. क्या आप मुझे कुछ बोल रहे थे?
Very good. Thank you so much for these questions, because these are the stuff which I need to speak a lot more.
What else do you want me to focus on? So I'm going to ask you the next question on that. On the exercise and stuff?
Exercise.